pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka is situated in the middle of the Indian Ocean, straddling the sea routes east to west, and has been a very popular hub of trade since ancient times. It is the gateway to South Asia. Sri Lanka is an international hub. Over the decades, Sri Lanka has supplied the world's leading names in electronics and in the electrical sector, continuously maintaining high quality and reliability. The world's leading electrical and electronics products are manufactured here in Sri Lanka. Research and development and design engineering in Sri Lanka's electrical and electronics industry has produced many innovations that have facilitated the progress of current production processes. The electronics and electrical manufacturing capability of Sri Lanka has been proved over decades of trust and reliability. There are several export processing zones, with all facilities to attract foreign investments and to set up state-of-the-art industries in Sri Lanka. Within a short period of time, the country has achieved a rapid growth in the electrical and electronics sectors and became known in the Asian region in the booming growth of electronics. Sri Lanka's current progress within a peaceful and cohesive national environment has resulted in amazing changes that bespeaks success.
So when you look at the sea routes of the world, we are the center. So it is feasible for us to ship to these locations from Sri Lanka rather than these products going to a country like Japan or some other center country. But it is feasible for us to ship it directly from Sri Lanka to other destinations.
Manufacturing costs are actually cheaper for low MOQ production.
This is largely due to the highly educated workforce that we have in Sri Lanka compared to most other South Asian countries. We have a workforce that absorbs technology very easily.
Sri Lanka produces highly skilled and knowledgeable professionals in electronics and electrical sectors via its world-class education system. The high-quality standards maintained by the industry lends dignity to the overall production in this country.
Yes, our defective rate is 1 piece per million.
A risk-free working environment for workers.
Trust, confidence,
satisfied,
knowledgeable workforce.
They are healthy, active, and enjoy well-being with benefits that accrue from being in a pollution-free environment. Companies always promote the ideals of a society that is free from the stresses of pollution. Electronic and electrical investors have many reasons to come here. The literacy rate of Sri Lanka is 93%, an English-speaking population of around 50%, high English literacy at the middle management level, employer loyalty, prototyping capability, precision labor, high retention rate of workers, logical thinking capability, cost effectiveness, design capabilities, adaptability of the workforce.
We are building a high-performance electric supercar for the first time here. This car will be able to do 0 to 100 kilometers per hour under 3.5 seconds, and will be one of those vehicles that we will build completely ground up from Sri Lankan technology.
One of the key things is that the whole system, robotic system, has been developed in Sri Lanka, and this means that not only the mechanical design, the mechanical construction, the electronic components, as well as the electronic key hardware, software.
Over the years, we have built very strong continuous improvement culture as well as R&D commitments to improve our product and processes. When it comes to the research and development, is our core in our business. It is basically aligned with our long-term vision.
We're a company that designs and manufactures medical equipment for in vitro fertilization. We used to be based in United Kingdom, and we have moved to Sri Lanka because of the knowledgeable workforce that is in Sri Lanka.
Our team has successfully completed over 50 highly complex designs up to date while maintaining the highest quality and the strictest standards compliance.
Sri Lanka is a good destination for electronic research and development, product design and manufacturing. We have many companies regarding product design, manufacturing on electronics, and the supportive industry for electronics such as thermodynamics, injection molding and kind of industry.
The secret behind the success is the highly literate, adaptive and flexible deep talent pool of human capital in Sri Lanka. Today our PCB and wire harness assembly manufacturing facility is capable of catering into vast range of automobile, medical, military, industrial, renewable energy and avionics industry.
As a global investor, it's one of the best decisions we made to invest in Sri Lanka. The strategic geographical location as a trade hub with convenient logistic solutions, infrastructure, development and positive political approach create more opportunities in developing the industries.
The cell that you see behind here is the cell where we are making sensors for Airbus 350. We have the most prestigious customer in the world in the industry.
Sri Lanka is rich in natural resources for this industry. There is a large-scale market for electrical and electronic products manufactured in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, a land like no other.